Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are fine. We are introducing a Fox Sun series which is very helpful for your kids. These are contents. You can see easily that these are contents and you have to mention page numbers. Turn page number 1, unit 1, and unit name is Our Body. First of all, thanks to Allah who created us and who created the beautiful world. Okay dear, I am introducing our body. You have to give in body parts name. Hair, H-A-I-R, hair, H-A-I-R, hair. This is my hair. My hair is black. H-A-I-R, hair, H-A-I-R, hair. Next part is I, E-Y-E, I, E-Y-E, I, E-Y-E, I. Third is N-O-S-E, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. This is a nose. Finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. This is a finger. E-A-R, ear, E-A-R, ear. This is an ear. L-I-P-S, lips, L-I-P-S, lips, L-I-P-S, lips. This is lips. Neck, N-E-C-K, neck, N-E-C-K, neck, N-E-C-K, neck. This is a neck. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. This is elbow. H-A-N-D, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. These are body parts. You have to learn hair spelling, nose spelling, finger spelling, eye, ear, lips, neck, elbow, hand and foot. You have to learn and you have to write. Turn page number 2. This is your activity and don't forget to write down date, classwork and day as well. Today it's Wednesday. I am writing over here and don't forget. Okay dear, work it out. Match the body parts with their correct name. You have to give in body parts and you have to match it. Ear, E-A-R, ear, match ear. N-E-C-K, neck, where is neck? This is a neck, you have to match it. H-I-R, hair, this is hair, you have to match it. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand, you have to match hand. Finger, where is finger? F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, where is finger? This is finger, this is finger. No, this is finger. You have to match it like this. E-Y-E-I, E-Y-E-I. First you have to read, then match it. E-Y-E-I, E-Y-E-I. Where is I? This is I? No, this is I. No, this is I. You have to match like this. N-O-S-E, nose, N-O-S-E, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Where is nose? This is nose, this is nose, this is nose. Yes, you have to match like this. F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Where is foot? This is foot, this is foot. No, this is foot. You have to match like this. Elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow, E-L-B-O-W, elbow. Where is elbow? This is elbow. This is elbow. No, this is elbow. You have to match like this. You can use ruler. Turn page number 3. Don't forget to write down date, date, homework and Wednesday. Write down date over here and day as well. Work it out. Write the correct body parts using the given words. You have to give in body parts name: eye, nose, hand, ear, elbow, hair and finger. You have to give in box and you have to write down which body part is this. Which body part is this? Eye. You have to write down over here. Which body part is this? Finger. Write down finger spelling. Which body part is this? Hand. You have to write down hand spelling. Elbow. 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 You have to write down elbow spelling. Hair. 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 Find out where is hair spelling and you have to write down over here. Ear. This is an ear. This is an ear. This is an ear. You have to write down ear spelling. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Write down nose spelling. This is your homework. You have to do it. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.